Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDC from your Phantom wallet to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just experimenting, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and funded. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your device. It's user-friendly, so navigate to your dashboard where you can see your assets. Look for USDC in your wallet balance. That's the stablecoin we're transferring. Next, select USDC from your assets list. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Click on that, and it will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Arculus wallet. Find your wallet address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Copy that address carefully to avoid any errors. Back in Phantom, paste the Arculus address into the recipient field. Double-check it to ensure it's correct, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Then, enter the amount of USDC you want to send, making sure you leave enough for any network fees. Review the transaction details, including fees and estimated time. In 2025, networks like Solana or Ethereum might be even faster. Hit confirm and approve the transaction with your Phantom wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. Once it's processing, keep an eye on the status. Head back to your Arculus wallet and refresh it to see when the USDC arrives. It should only take a few minutes, depending on the blockchain. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDC between wallets. Always remember to double-check addresses and stay secure in the crypto world. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.